and it's understanding the legal side, having some legal literacy more than just whatever you've learned from your buddy or taking a minimum class. Now, I mentioned that Idaho State has in their enhanced permit class, they require, it ends up being like probably 2 hours. It depends on the attorney giving the lecture, going through a bunch of the state laws about how you're protected or what may happen in the aftermath. But they don't really dive into the legal side of using a gun. And so many people fall prey to this. That is exactly the reason why USCCA and Right to Bear and attorneys on retainer and all these other services exist, is because people aren't learning the legal side and they fall trap or prey to these attorneys. And man, every time you press that trigger and a round comes out of that barrel, just think that there is an attorney attached to that round. You're going to get sued. You're going to get sued no matter what. If you use your gun, like, somebody will find a reason to sue you. And it's important for you to understand that you will not get that unless very rare cases or some awesome instructors are really including it. But you're probably not going to get any real legal literacy in those concealed carry classes. Now, I know Range here in Idaho Falls, I don't know if he teaches it anymore, but he used to have something called the didactic, I think is what he called the didactic handgun class, which really was kind of the legal portion, which is awesome. And it's important to seek that out. A booklet isn't going to tell you that. Like, I'll just say the USCCA in their booklet they give you, it kind of touches on that information. I mean, I'm a USCCA instructor, so I've handed that book out a ton. And yeah, there's some good information in there, but it's really generalized. It's not state specific. Every state has laws that may not be the same as another state, right? When it comes to deadly force or life-threatening situations, you need to learn. And again, you're not going to get that out of one class. I don't know if you ever heard of Andrew Branca. I don't have his book down here. It's upstairs. The Law of Self-Defense. He's written that book. Great book. But, I mean, that's more than you'll ever get anywhere else, just having his book and reading it. Left to Bang is another book. I haven't read that. I've heard it's a fantastic book. There's a lot. You think about, look at Kyle Rittenhouse. Look at that case. He was well over $1 million in his defense, and he still can get sued on the other end of that, right? The civil action, right? Sure, the criminal stuff might be out, but he could get sued civilly. There's so much there that I cannot impress on your mind how important that is.